What is the best 3-in-1 portable travel charger that you can buy right now? And especially one that is Qi 2.2, which means your iPhone is going to get 25 watts of fast charging, and your AirPods and your Apple Watch will get fast charging as well. Well, today we are going to take a look at the ESR Foldable 3-in-1 charging station. Now, the price on this is $99.99, but with the Qi 2.2, the 25 watts of charging, and the Cryo Boost technology, I definitely think this one is worth it. Let's go ahead and check it out. So, starting off with the packaging, we have it right here. Very nice compact packaging, ESR Foldable 3-in-1 magnetic charging station. Now, it does come with a charging adapter included, as well as a cable, and it is made for Apple Watch certified, as well as Qi2 25 watts. So, you're getting all this information here. On the back, you get a little more. Let's just dive right in, right? So you just open this up. First things first, you're going to get these little stickers that are going to be for your Apple Watch base area. So if you stick it on, it'll prevent your Apple Watch from moving a little bit while it's charging if you want to. Number two is you can watch a little video on how to set this up and register for warranty. Another setup video here, as well as like a little instruction manual. Set all that off to the side, and here we are greeted with our charger. So right here, we do have the 3-in-1. Just take that out, set it off to the side for a second. And in here, we are going to get our accessories. Now, if you guys saw, I just recently released a best charging accessories video for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which I'll leave at the end of this video, which this is in there because of how good this charger is. But anyways, taking a look inside this little box here, we are greeted with, first things first, we get our power brick here. So it does have foldable prongs right there. Open it up, close it if you want to, and you are getting one USB Type-C right there. And this is, as you guys can see, a 50-watt USB Type-C charging brick. So this is going to be enough to charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, your AirPods, or any of those other devices that use this kind of charger. Like if you have an Android with a MagSafe case, stuff like that, this will be enough to charge it. So you get that. And then on the inside here, we are getting this nice thick cable. It has a pretty good bit of length. Let's see how long this thing is real quick. Open this little thing here. All right, so just pop it open, and I believe this is going to be a 3.5 to a 4-foot cable. So long enough to where you can set this on your nightstand, your desk, your nightstand in a hotel room, which this is perfect for travel. I'll explain why, and you'll be good to go. So let's just move all of this off to the side here, move this box, and let's plug this thing in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this power outlet right here. I'm gonna plug this side of it into it. Let's go ahead and do that. I have a power strip right there at my desk, so we are plugged in. And then what we're going to do is take this side, because it does go right here on the right-hand side. You plug it in so the cable's kind of out of the way. But real quick, just taking a look around the charger. So this is going to be your charging area for your iPhone, or if you have an Android with a case, or the new Google Pixels that have Qi 2 support, you can use that. Then you pop it open right there. And first thing we see here on the back is one fan. And then on the bottom, you get another fan. So the way that this is going to work is there is a button right here. This button is going to turn the fan on and off, which I will show you guys here in a second. And then, of course, you get another spot for your AirPods, and then a spot for your Apple Watch if you want to use it. If not, you just tuck it right back in there, and you are good to go. Now, you can use the product just like this, or like this, which this fan will kick in if it's closed, and this fan will kick in if it is open. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in right here. And we are going to get a little LED that just shows we are plugged in. It'll go away in a second. And that's going to light up when your fans are on as well. So let's bring over our iPhone 17 Pro Max. We'll attach that right here. There we go, charging. And immediately you can feel this fan kicking on. Let me put this up to the microphone so you guys can hear how it sounds. Very, very quiet. You can easily use this on your nightstand when you're sleeping, even if you're a light sleeper. It won't bother you at all. I'm a very light sleeper. I've used this thing multiple times and have had no issues. Overnight and throughout the day, you cannot hear it at all. But if it does bother you, you can always, of course, click this button right here. Whereas, let me find that. There we go. Click that button, and your fans stop. And then when you close this fan here will also help get some airflow in. So you can actually hear it a little bit more when it is closed. But of course, you can use it laying face down, and you'll be just fine. But as you know, it's a 3-in-1. So let's open this thing back up. Here, it came off. Open that back up. Let's open the Apple Watch section back up. And I love that this actually opens and closes a little bit, so you can kind of angle your Apple Watch however you want. But just putting that down, let's go ahead and bring over our AirPods Pro 3. We'll attach those right here. And there you go. You can see we are charging. And last but not least, let's bring over my wife's Apple Watch. We'll plug that up. And that is going to be charging here in a second as well. There we go. So all three devices are charging at the same time. Now, unfortunately, there are no magnets here for your AirPods Pro, but they'll sit on here just fine with no issues. And here we go. We have all three devices charging at the same exact time. Now, on this little LED right here, let me show you. This little LED will stay on when your AirPods are charging. That way you kind of know that there is a device here charging. So you can quickly look over, take a glance, and make sure you know that they are charging. But there we go. All of the fans are working. Everything is working just fine. And this is what you're looking like on your desk, guys. Then when you're done, you just go ahead and take all this off. Here you go. Close that. Take that and close this. Unplug it. And this little thing right here, I mean, it'll fit. Look at it compared to the size of the iPhone, right? Let's even bring a battery pack over here, right? So I have a Basis. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour, also Qi 2.2 battery pack. And just comparing the two, it's the size of a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, right? It's almost exactly the same size. So this thing will fit in your pocket, your purse, your sling bag with absolutely no issues. When you're done, you know, you put it right in your carry-on luggage, in your backpack, wherever. When you get to your hotel room, plug this thing up. And of course, you can just lay it down just like this if you want to, right? You'll be just fine, no issues. Then you can even open it up, use this in standby mode if you have to or if you want to with no problems. Let me go ahead and actually redo that. Sometimes I get an issue activating standby mode. But there you go. Go ahead and put it on just like this. There we go. We are charging there in standby mode. Fan kicked in. Everything's fine. If you want to, turn the fan off right there. But yeah, guys, that is going to be the ESR Qi 2.2 foldable charger with cryo boost, so your devices are always going to be cool. That's going to mean that you can charge at faster wattage for longer periods of time because it will not overheat. Love this thing. Absolutely have been having a great time with it. You saw it was in my best charging accessories video. That's there for a reason. This is my favorite travel charger or portable 3-in-1 charger at the moment. But let me know what you guys think about this charger down in the comments below. I have been loving it and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. It goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. If you guys want to see that best charging accessories video, I'll leave that video right here. But if you want to see my favorite accessories from 2025, I'll leave that video right here.